Hello, friends. Welcome back to English is Easy. Today, we are going to learn how to use going to when we talk about future plans. 1. What does going to mean? We use going to talk about something we have already decided to do in the future. Shows intention or plan. For example, I'm going to visit my grandparents this weekend. She's going to start a new job next month. 2. Structure of going to. The structure is simple. Subject plus be, am, is, are, plus going to plus base verb. Examples. I am going to study tonight. He is going to buy a car. They are going to play football. Incorrect. She going to eat. Correct. She is going to eat. 3. Negative form. To make it negative, just add not after be. I am not going to watch TV. He is not going to travel tomorrow. We are not going to be late. 4. Question form. We change the order of be in the subject. Am I going to pass the test? Is she going to visit us? Are they going to join the party? 5. When do we use going to? Future plans. Something already decided. We're going to move to a new house. Predictions with evidence. Something we can see is about to happen. Look at those clouds. It's going to rain. Be careful. You're going to fall. 6. Common mistakes to avoid over. Don't forget the verb to be. Wrong. I going to eat pizza. Right. I am going to eat pizza. Don't use going to for things decided at the moment of speaking. For instant decisions, use will. Example. Phone rings. I'll answer it. Decision now, not planned. Quick practice fill in the blanks. 1. I going to call my friend. 2. They going to visit us next week. 3. She going to cook dinner tonight. Answers am, are, is, so. Remember, use going to when you already have a plan or when something is sure to happen. Example, you're going to become confident in English if you keep watching English is Easy. That's all for today's lesson. Fein0com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English is Easy. See you in the next video.